to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am back with the LW-PX700 and I'm going to show you how to save and recall a label. There's a lot of reasons that you may want to save and recall a label. Maybe it's serialized, maybe it has formatting that you want to keep consistent, or maybe it's just a label that you print frequently and you don't want to keep recreating it. Whatever the reason, it's really easy to save and recall labels. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I already have the information typed in here that I want to save. So all I have to do is hit the file button. It's right here, it has a little file folder. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Now from here, I can save and recall labels. I can also delete them. So if you need to manage that a little bit, you can do that here. But I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that my cursor using the up-down arrows is on what I want for save, and then I'll hit return. Now with this printer, I can't name the files, but I can select which location or which number I want to put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this one in the next one in line. That's fine. Hit return. It's going to ask you just kind of a confirmation screen and show you a little preview of the label. So as long as that's what you want, you can just hit return again, and it is now saved. Okay, now it brings me to this screen and says end question mark. Are you done saving and recalling labels? Yes, I am, and I can go ahead and just hit return and it'll bring me back to the main screen. We saved a label. Now how do we recall a label? Well, it's really easy, and all we have to do is hit that file button again. So I'm going to hit file, and now I'm going to use the arrow to go down to recall. Now I can see the different numbers that have files in them, and it gives me a little preview of those. So I can go ahead and scroll through, make sure the one that I'm selecting is the one that I need, and I will hit return when I'm on that one. Again, it's going to give me another preview of that label, and I can just make sure that I want that one and hit return. If I didn't want that one, you can hit the backspace button to go back to the previous screen. So I'll hit return, recall, and now you can see it's pulled it up on my label or on my screen. If I needed to make any adjustments or edits, I can do that. Otherwise, I can just print, keep rocking and rolling. That was saving and recalling a label with the LW-PX700. If you have questions on this printer or any others in the lineup, please feel free to reach out. We would be happy to help. Thanks again.